Hey guys, this is Chris from the L8on Adventures. We just wanted to say a big thank you to all of you for your subscriptions, and wanted to kind of tell you about our giveaway that we're going to do. We changed it up a little bit. We're going to do a scavenger hunt. All of the things we're asking can be found in our videos. So all you need to do is go watch the other videos and find the information that we're asking, okay? So thank you very much for all your help and for everything you guys have done for us so far and for watching our videos. Without further ado, here come the question.
Thank you guys for giving us all the subscribers. Here's question 1.
Which movie was playing on board the Disney Dream?
Thank you. Now here's question number 2.
Number 2, who sings the third song on the Disney Dream Believe show?
Hey guys, thanks for subscribing to our channel. And here's question number 3.
Question 3 is a two-part question. 2 parts, not 3. In November of 2018, we stayed at 2 different Disney Vacation Club resorts. Name the 2 resorts in Disney World that we stayed at. For the second part of question 3, is the balcony of one of the rooms had an awesome view of a restaurant. Name the restaurant. Alright guys, thank you so much for supporting us. We really appreciate it. Good luck to everybody with the scavenger hunt. And please make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not,